my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today I have a wig review for you, and this is an older wig from Model, but it's beautiful and the color is stunning, so I wanted to share with you. This is Miss Joanna, depends on if you're fancy or not. I have her in the color TSToffee. This is part of their lace parting line, so there's no lace to cut. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees, comes in a couple colors. I scooped her up from Glamour Trust for $17. The color on this is stunning. I absolutely love it. She does come with baby hairs. I did not adjust the cap, and I'm actually finding that the cap's a little tight, which I don't normally experience. So that would be something to consider. The texture is a light yaki texture, but the way that the curl pattern is, and you know, it does feel soft. I would say that this is definitely like a multicultural option, and I think it mimics natural curly hair pretty well. It is a lace parting wig, so there's only lace here. There's no lace to cut, so it was easy peasy lemon squeezy. It could be like cute, just like tucked behind the ear or what have you. I did just smooth the baby hairs down with some pure clean finishing paste because I didn't want to necessarily get rid of them, but they were hanging down. Kind of funny. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that's a nice length. I like how it looks in the back. It's about 14 inches long. The density is pretty nice. It's a full wig, but it's not a thick wig, if that makes sense. So pros and cons of this wig is, if you don't like curly hair, don't get this wig, okay? I don't know, I really like these lace parting wigs from Model, so I can't think of like too many cons outside of the fact that if you need a larger wig cap, this probably isn't going to fit you too well. That's really it. If you like this length and like this style, I think this is a great wig. Like I said, I've had tons of wigs like this from Model and also Free Tress Equal. Their lace parting lines are really great. I think they're great for newbies. So that's a pro. I think this would be great for newbie because I just slammed this on and then I was done. So I will include all of the clips of how I got her together after this. Yeah, that's all I have for you for Miss Joanna, I love you. Stop. Okay. If there's another Model wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you have this wig and you have some thoughts, please put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.